Hi everyone, Irina Geller here, food and mood coach, and welcome to my Facebook Friday, where I share easy steps that you can take, that you can action. So they're actionable steps because when they're easy, you're much more likely to do them. And today I want to share with you 3 powerful questions to ramp up your motivation. So it's usually around this time of the year that people are wanting to get back to a healthy weight, or perhaps you've gained a few kilos, a few pounds over the break, over the festive season, or maybe you've been stress eating or comfort eating, whatever it is. I find that knowing the health reasons for losing weight is great, but it's not always motivating. But if you take it from a positive side, knowing the benefits of being a healthy weight can be a lot more motivating. And I've experienced that myself and with my clients. So today I want to share with you 3 powerful questions to help you ramp up your motivation so that you feel positive about it rather than feeling negative. Isn't that better? Okay, so question number 1 is, firstly, imagine yourself being at your ideal weight or a healthy weight. Ask yourself, what will you be doing more of when you are at a healthy weight? What kind of activities will you be doing that maybe you're currently not doing? And then question number 2 is, what will have become easier for you? So there may be a few things at the moment, like maybe running up the stairs or walking up the stairs could be challenging. And maybe when you're a bit lighter, that could be easier. And then question number 3 is, why is it important and meaningful for you? Try and identify 3 to 5 reasons. What is so good about being a healthy weight or being your ideal body shape? What will you be able to wear? Where will you be able to go? What will people, how will people react to you? So can you see that by focusing on the positive, you actually feel a lot more motivated? So I would love to know which of those questions is your favorite or you find most motivating. So please comment below. I'd love to hear your story, and have a great weekend. And until next Friday, bye for now.